The last time I used Chat GPT to teach me how to make brownies, they just weren't fudgy enough. Well, hopefully by giving the AI a little bit more feedback, it's gonna give me a brownie recipe that's gluten-free and way more fudgy. So let's find out. This recipe is gonna feature half a cup of unsalted butter, 6 ounces of semi-sweet or dark chocolate, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 of a cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So we're gonna start off with some butter. In a bowl, we're gonna throw in our chocolate chips. Now to melt this down, we're gonna use a double boiler. Whisk in both sugars in the mixture while it's still warm. This helps create that shiny, crackly top. Add the eggs one at a time, whisking them vigorously for at least 30 seconds each. This builds structure without adding baking powder or soda. Stir in vanilla extract. Mix together the almond flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Then gently fold in the chocolate mixture with a spatula. Do not overmix. Make sure you oil your pan. Now place some parchment paper over it. Do again another layer of oil over the parchment paper. And now you're gonna place another piece of parchment paper on top. This will help facilitate the process of removing your brownie when it's done baking. Spread the thick batter into your pan and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Let the brownies cool completely in the pan before slicing. Compared to my last brownie recipe, this one has more of a shiny, crackly top that's very desirable. If you enjoyed this recipe, please check out these other great videos and make sure to subscribe to this channel.